Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play golf on Nintendo Switch Sports. First, securely attach the Joy-Con controller to your wrist using the strap for safety. Hold the controller with both hands, mimicking a golf club, ensuring a comfortable and firm grip. Navigate to the main menu and select the golf icon. You can then choose from various courses and decide to play either 3, 6, or 9 holes, setting up your game perfectly for a fun round. Mastering your swing is key to success. Stand comfortably with your feet about shoulder-width apart, facing the screen. Initiate your backswing slowly, bringing the Joy-Con up, then smoothly swing forward as if hitting a ball. Focus on a straight motion for both your backswing and follow-through to ensure accuracy. Remember to adjust the power of your swing. A full swing is for long drives, while a shorter motion is for delicate putts. Nintendo Switch Sports Golf offers various shot types. The game automatically selects the appropriate club for your distance, but you can adjust your aim. Press the button to confirm your shot and see the projected trajectory. If you need to rethink, the B button allows you to cancel and reposition. Always consider environmental factors like wind direction and the course's terrain. These elements significantly impact where your ball lands. Putting requires a delicate touch. When on the green, use a very gentle, controlled swing, focusing on precision over power. Pay close attention to the green's slope indicators, which show how the ball will break. Aim slightly off-center if the green slopes, anticipating the ball's curve. Practicing various shot strengths for your short game will significantly improve your scores and help you sink those crucial putts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.